Hi guys, welcome to my channel How to Teach Kids at Home. Today I am taking a very interesting topic of geometry angles. The content of this video is common for NCERT, CBSE, ICSE, State Board or any other board. So, in angles, the most important topics on which the questions are usually asked are pairs of angle, complementary, supplementary, adjacent, vertically opposite, linear pair and bisector. So these are the really very important topics of angles. So after seeing these topics, we will see around 20 questions on the above topics. So the topic will be clear to you in detail, and after seeing the pairs of angle, we will see the types of angle. So let's begin the video. Pairs of angle. First is the adjacent angle. The two angles having common vertex and common arm and the other two sides lying on either side of the common arms are called the adjacent angle. Suppose here we have two angle ABC and angle CBD. Angle So the two angles having common vertex. Here the common vertex is B and the common arm is BC. So common vertex is B and the common arm is BC. And the other two arms are lying on the either side of the common arm. So the other two arms are arm AB and arm BD, which are lying on the either side of the common arm BC. So the angle formed are called the adjacent angle. So the adjacent angle, we can say angle ABC is 30 degree. ABC angle is adjacent to angle CBD, which is equal to 40 degree. So the two angles, angle ABC and CBD, are adjacent because they have common vertex and common arm BC, and the other two arms are on the either side of the common arm. So these angles are called adjacent angle. Now let's see here. The two other sides are AB and BD. AB and BD are the other two arms. BC is the common arm and B is the common vertex. So the adjacent angle are angle ABC and angle BCD. Now let's see complementary angle. If the sum of measure of two adjacent angle is 90 degree. Suppose this is angle A, B, C. Suppose this is the 30 degree and angle BCB and D is 60 degree. So if the sum of the measure of two adjacent angle, as we have now seen, angle ABC is adjacent to angle BCBD because they have common arm BC and common vertex B in between the other two arms AB and BD. So if the sum of the two adjacent angle is 90 degree, they are complementary angles. So here the angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is 30 degree and angle CBD is 60 degree, and the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Hence we can say that these two angles are complementary angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. If angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree, then they are called as complementary angles. Whenever the two angles are complementary, each angle is said to be complement of each other. So we can say that angle ABC is complement of BCBD and angle CBD is complement of angle ABC. So the complementary angle can be anything. 30 plus 60 degree will be equal to 90 degree. 25 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 90 degree. So the main condition of the complementary angle is the sum of the two angles should be equal to 90 degrees. Let's see some details. Only two acute angle can make complementary angle. As we have seen, 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. So 30 degree is also acute angle, and acute angle is the angle which is greater than 0 degree but acute angle but less than 90 degree. That is, in between 0 to 90 degree is acute angle. So 30 degree is also acute angle and 60 degree is also acute angle. So only two acute angles can make complementary angles. Two obtuse angle cannot make complementary angle because the obtuse angle is in between 90 to 180 degree. It is greater than 90 degree. So if one angle is greater than 90 degree, how the sum will be equal to 90 degree? So the two obtuse angle cannot make a complementary angles. Two right angles cannot be complement of each other, because if two right angles are there, so their sum will be 180 degree, and for complementary angle the sum should be equal to 90 degree. So hence this is not possible. So only two acute angle can make complementary angle. Two obtuse angle and two right angles cannot make complementary angles. So these are the very important points which are asked in exams. Now let's see supplementary angle. If the sum of measure of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angle. Suppose this is angle A, B, C and angle C, B, D. If this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 120 degree, so the sum of angle 1, so for supplementary angle, angle ABC plus angle CBD should be equal to 180 degree. So what is angle ABC? Angle ABC is 60 degree plus angle CBD is 120 degree. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angles. So for supplementary angle, the sum of the measure of two adjacent angles should be 180 degree. When two angles are supplementary, each angle is said to be supplement of each other. So angle ABC is supplement of angle CBD and angle CBD is supplement of angle ABC. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Then they are called as supplementary angles. So the supplementary angle can be of any degree. 60 plus 120 is 180. 45 degree. If one angle is 45 degree, other angle is 135 degree, then also the sum is equal to here 180 degree. So these two angles 45 degree and 135 degree are also supplementary angles. Now let's see some points, important points for supplementary angle. Two acute angles cannot make supplementary angle. So as we know that acute angle is in between 0 to 90 degree. So suppose if it is 30 degree and 60 degree, their sum will be equal to 90 degree. Their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. So two acute angle cannot make supplementary angles. Two right angles are always supplement to each other, because two right angle means 90 degree plus 90 degree and their sum is equal to 180 degree. For supplementary angle, the sum of the two angles should be 180 degree. So the two right angles are always supplement to each other. Second, two obtuse angle cannot be supplement of each other, because the obtuse angle will be in between 90 to 180 degree. The obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So suppose if the two angles are greater than 90 degree, then their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. So only the two right angles are supplement to each other. Only two right angles can make supplementary angles. two acute angle cannot make supplementary angles, and two obtuse angle also cannot make supplementary angles. So these are the very important points which are asked in exam. Now let's see linear pair. The two adjacent angles are said to form linear pairs if their non-common arms are two opposite rays or opposite to each other. Suppose this is angle A, B, C. If this is suppose 120 degree here, and this is 60 degree, angle B, C, B and D. So the two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if their non-common arm. As we all know, BC is the common arm and B is the vertex, and the non-common arms are AB and BD. And if AB and BD are opposite to each other, here AB and BD are opposite to each other, so the angle formed are said to be in linear pair. So for the main condition for the linear pair is the sum of the angle should be 180 degree. Then only if the sum of the two angles, angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree, then only the non-common arms will be opposite to each other. Then only they can form the linear pair. So the angles in a linear pair are supplementary. That means the sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. And the sum of the angles in linear pair is 180 degree always, and they are supplement to each other. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. So the two supplementary angles are always in linear pair because their non-common arms are opposite to each other. Now let's see vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other at a point, suppose this is line AB and this is line CD. So these two lines intersect at a point P. Then the line forms the pair of angles which are opposite to each other. Such pair of angles are called vertically opposite angles. So when these two lines AB and line CD intersect at a point P, then what are the angles formed here? The opposite angles form. Suppose this angle, angle 1, is opposite to angle 2, and this angle 3 is opposite to angle 4. So this vertically opposite angles will be always equal when the two lines intersect at a point. So we can say that the opposite angles form angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. And the linear pairs formed will be the linear pairs angles will be where the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. So we can say that angle 1 and angle 4 form the linear pair, angle 1 and angle 3 form the linear pair, angle 3 and angle 2 form the linear pair, and angle 2 and angle 4 form the linear pair here. And opposite angles, angle 1 is opposite to angle 2 and both are equal, and angle 3 and angle 4 are opposite to each other and their value will be equal. So when the two lines intersect each other at a point, the line form the pair of angles which are opposite to each other, and such pairs of angles are called vertically opposite angles. So this is all about the pair of angles. So here we have seen what is adjacent angle, what is complementary angle, what is supplementary angle, then linear pair, vertically opposite, angles. Now let's see some very important questions which are asked in exam on the above topics. Question number 1. Can two acute angles be complement to each other? As we all know, acute angle is the angle between 0 to 90 degree. So suppose for the acute angle, their sum should be, for complementary, the sum should be the angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 90 degree. So if the angle 1 is acute angle, suppose I take 40 degree and another acute angle I take 50 degree. So their sum is 50 plus 40 is 90 degree. So yes, answer is yes. Two acute angles can be complement to each other. Question number 2. Can two obtuse angle be complement to each other? The obtuse angle is an angle which is between 90 degree to 180 degree. And for complementary angle, the angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 90 degree. So if I take one obtuse angle, suppose angle 110 degree which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and another angle be 130 degree, so angle 110 and 130 both are obtuse angle. So if I make their sum, it is equal to 240 degree, which is not equal to 90 degree. So hence two obtuse angle cannot be complement to each other. So the answer is no. Question number 3. Can two right angles be complement to each other? No, only two acute angle can be complement to each other, because if the two right angles are there, so their sum will be equal to 180 degree, and for complementary we want the sum of angle 1 and angle 2 should be 90 degree. So answer is no. Two right angles cannot be complement to each other. Question number 4. What is the measure of the complement of the following angles? For complement, we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. So if suppose one angle is given 45 degree, what is angle 2? So the angle 2 will be 90 minus 45 degree, which comes to 45 degree. So this way we can find the other angle, and as we all know that in complementary angle, angle 1 is complement to angle 2 and angle 2 is complement to angle 1. Let's take one more example, 54 degrees. So we have to find the measure of the complement of the other angle, complement of this angle. So for complement, angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. So this angle is given is 54 degree. So angle 2 will be 90 minus 54, which will come to 36 degree. So by this way we can find the measure of the complement of the given angles. Question number 5. The difference in the measure of the two complementary angle is 120 is 12 degree. It is 12 degree. Find the measure of the angles. The difference of the in the measure of the two complementary angle, as we all know complementary angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree, and if the difference angle 1 minus angle 2 is 12 degree, so we need to find what is the measure of the other angle. So this is a simple equation. So it will be 2 times of angle 1 will be 90 plus 12 degree, which will come to 102, and angle 1 will be 102 divided by 2, which comes to 54 degree. So if one angle is 54 degree, the other angle will be 90 minus 54, which comes to 36 degree. So by this way we can find the measure of the angle. So if the difference of the two complementary angle is given, we can find the measure of the angles, because the given, we know that here the difference is given, angle 1 minus angle 2 is 12 degree, and we know that for the complementary angle the sum of the two angles will be 90 degree. So we can solve the simple equation and we can find the angle 1, which comes to 54 degree and the other angle came is 36 degree. Now let's see other question. Can two obtuse angle be supplement to each other? The answer is no, because the obtuse angle is the angle between 90 to 180 degree, and for supplementary the angle 1 plus angle 2, their sum should be equal to 90, it is equal to 180 degree. So if the angle is greater than 90 degree, their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. Question number 7. Can two acute angle be supplementary? The answer is no, because for supplementary, angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 180 degree and the acute angle is between 0 to 90 degree. So their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. Question number 8. Can two right angle be supplementary? The answer is yes, because the two right angles are 90 degree plus 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. And for supplementary, we know the sum of the two angles should be equal to 180 degree. So the only two right angles can be supplement to each other. Question number 9. What will be the measure of the supplement of each one of the following angles? As we have seen just now, the similar type of question for the complementary, here the one angle is given, and for supplementary we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So if one angle is given as 100 degree, so what will be the other angle? We can easily find angle 2 will be 180 degree minus 100, which comes to 80 degree. So the other angle, the angle supplement to 100 degree will be 80 degrees. Similarly for 55 degrees, angle 1 for plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. For supplementary, here the angle 1 is mentioned as 55 degree. So what will be angle 2? Angle 2 will be 180 minus 55, which will come to 125 degree. So 55 and 125 degree, these two angles are supplement to each other, and 100 and 80 are supplement to each other. Can two adjacent angle be supplementary? As we have already seen, the sum of the two adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree, and for supplementary also the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. So yes, the two adjacent angles be supplementary. Suppose if I take adjacent angle as 30 degree, another one as 150 degree, so their sum will be equal to 180 degree. So answer is yes. Can two adjacent angle be complementary? For adjacent angle, angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 180 degree, and for complementary, angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 90 degree. So the two adjacent angle cannot be complementary. So answer is no. Next question. Can an acute angle be adjacent to obtuse angle? Answer is, let's see this. Can an acute angle, suppose I make an acute angle of, this is 30 degree, and I make one obtuse angle from here of around 70 degree. So these two, so here A, B, C and D. So angle ABC is equal to 70 degree is obtuse angle, and angle CBD, which is equal to 30 degree, is acute angle. So then acute angle here is adjacent to obtuse angle, because for adjacent we know that we should have a common arm, that is BC, and a common vertex B. So yes, these two angles, angle 30 degree and 70 degree, are adjacent to each other. Yes, but they do not form the linear pair, because for linear pair the sum should be equal to 180 degree. But an acute angle can be adjacent to obtuse angle. So answer is yes. Question number 14. Can two acute angle form a linear pair? As we know, for linear pair, the sum should be equal to 180 degree and the acute angles will, will be between 0 to 90 degree. So the two acute angle cannot form a linear pair because their sum will not be equal to 180 degree. So answer is no. Can two obtuse angle form a linear pair? The obtuse angle is between 90 to 180 degree, and for linear pair, so it can be around like 170 degree or 160 degree. So these are the two obtuse angle, and for linear pair their sum should be equal to 180 degree. So if the angles are too obtuse, their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. So the two obtuse angle cannot form a linear pair. Only two right angles can form a linear pair, because for right angle it is 90 degree. The two right angles are 90 degree, which their sum is equal to 180 degree. And for linear pair also, angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 180 degree. So only two right angles form a linear pair. 17. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. So as we know, for complementary angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. So let's check. Here the angle is not mentioned and we have to find the angle. So let the angle be x. So angle x plus angle x is equal to 90 degree. So 2 times of angle x is equal to 90 degree, and angle x will be 90 divided by 2, which comes to 45 degree. So the angle which is equal to its complement is 45 degree, because the complement of 45 is itself is 45 degree. Now find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So for supplement we know angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So let assume the angle be x. So angle x plus angle x is equal to 180 degree. So 2 times of angle x is equal to 180 degree, and angle x will be 180 divided by 2, which comes to 90 degree. So the angle x comes here is 90 degree. So 90 degree is supplement to 90 degree. So the angle is 90 degree, which is supplement to 90 degree to itself. Question number 19. If two complementary angles are in ratio of this, here the angles are not mentioned but their ratio is mentioned, find them. So let the angle be x. So the first angle will be x and the other angle is 5x. And for complementary, the angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 90 degree. So here angle 1 is x, and angle, this is angle 2, which is 5x. Their sum is 90 degree. So x plus 6x will come, 5x is equal to 6x, which is equal to 90 degree. So x will be 90 degree divided by 6, which comes to 15 degree. So if the two angles are complement to each other, the angle 1 is here 15 degree and the other is 5 times of 15 degree, which comes to 75 degree. So the two angles are 15 degree and 75 degree. In the blanks. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is equal to, for complementary the sum is measured to 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, the sum of their measure is 180 degree. The two angles forms a linear pairs are right angles. Right angles. That is 90 degree, because 90 degree plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So hence they form a linear pair. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear if two adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, their sum is equal to 180 degree, then they form a linear pair. If two lines intersect at a point here, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. If two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle. So these are the fill in the blanks which we have seen and the different types of questions on the pairs of angle. Now it's time to revise the basics of angle quickly. So what is an angle? An angle is formed when the two line segments or two rays have common endpoint. And arms, the two line segments forming an angle is called the arms. Suppose this is angle ABC. So the arm AB and BC, the line segment AB and BC are the arms and the point B is called the common vertex. And the unit of the angle is measured in degrees. So if suppose it is 45, so we will write as 45 degree. And the symbol is like this angle. So angle ABC is equal to 45 degrees. Now let's see types of angle. First is the acute angle. An acute angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degrees, acute angle. So suppose this is A, B and C, and if this angle is 60 degree, so here the 60 is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So this angle ABC is acute angle. So for acute angle, the measure of the angle should be between 0 to 90 degree. For obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So an obtuse angle, this is angle A, B, C. Suppose if this angle is 110 degree. So 110 from 0 to 90. If it is 0 to 90, in between it is acute, but here it is more than 90 and less than 180. So this is the obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is in between 90 to 180 degree, which is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. Right angle. A right angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. And the symbol of writing right angle is this box. Angle ABC is a right angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree. The right angle is always exactly 90 degrees. Straight angle. An angle formed by a straight line is called the straight angle. When the two rays are opposite to each other in a line, the angle formed is called straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. It starts from, so angle PQOP is a straight angle. It is a 180 degree angle. Straight angle is always 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to the sum of the two right angle, that is 90 degree plus 90 degree. Straight angle is equal to right angle plus right angle. 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So the two right angles makes one straight angle. Next is the complete angle. If the rotating ray after making a complete revolution coincides with the initial point, for example, here if it starts from 0, O and A, if it starts from A and again coincide on the same ray OA, then the angle formed is called the 360 degree angle. So complete angle is 360 degree, which is equal to two straight angle, that is 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree, and a complete angle is equal to four right angles, because 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So it will starts from here. If this is 0 to 90 degree, 1, and again 90 to 180, one more 90 degree, 0 this is 90, this is 180, and here 270, and again it is 360 degree. So it has completed one right angle, 2, 3 and 4, and comes to the initial position. So it is called as complete angle. Now let's see zero angle. If the initial and the final position of a ray coincide without making any revolution, it equal to 0 degree. So here the initial and the final position is same. Now the reflex angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but lesser than 360 degree. So this is 0, it is 90, and here it is 180, but the reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. It is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So which is greater than 180 degree, which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. It is called the reflex angle. So let's see these angles in quadrant. So as we all know, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, here it is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree, and again it is 360 degree. So if the angle is between 0 to 90 degree, here it will be acute angle, and if the angle is exactly 90 degree, it is right angle, and if the angle is between 90 degree and 180, which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, is called the obtuse angle. And if the angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, will be somewhere here, will be called as the reflex angle, and the initial one will be a zero angle. And if the angle completes the full revolution or rotation from 0 degree to 360 degree, it is called as the complete angle. So these are all the angles we have seen in all the four quadrant. So first one will be the acute angle. The exact 90 degree is right angle. Then the angle between 90 and 180 degree is obtuse angle, and the angle between 180 to 360 degree is reflex angle. The exact 0 degree is the zero angle, and the completing full 360 degree is a complete angle. Now let's see the last topic, interior of an angle and the exterior of the angle. Suppose this is the angle A, B, C, and if some points are here inside P, Q, R, so the area or these points area bounded by the arms form the interior of the angle. So if the points are inside the arms A, B, C, these are called the interior of the angles, and this area is called the interior of the angle. But if some points are here like E, F and G, or the area outside the arms, are called the exterior of the angle. So the area outside the arm is called the exterior of the angle. So like points E, F and G forms the exterior of the angle, and the point P, Q and R, which are inside the arms, form the interior of the angle. Now let's see the bisector of the angle. When an angle is divided into two equal parts, the angle is bisected. Suppose this is angle of 60 degree, and this is one A, B, C and D. So this angle 60 degree, the angle ABD, which is equal to 60 degree, is divided into two equal parts, that is angle ABC plus angle CBD. If angle ABC is equal to 30 degree and angle CBD is 30 degree, then the angle is bisected. When the angle is divided into two equal parts, the angle is bisected and the arm which is common to the both angles. Here, which arm is common to both the angles? Angle ABC, here BC, and CBD, arm BC. So what is the common arm? Here the common arm here is BC, is called the bisector of the angle. So here the common arm BC is called the bisector. Bisector, it means it is dividing or bisecting the angle ABD into two equal parts. So this has become a very long video, but a complete tutorial video of angles. So in this video we have seen the pairs of angle: complementary, supplementary, adjacent, vertically opposite, linear pair, bisector of angle, and all the questions of pairs of angle, and the basic types of angle: acute, obtuse, right, straight, complete, zero, reflex, and the last topic, interior and exterior of the angles. So I hope you like my this long video on angles. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, How to Teach Kids at Home. Thanks for watching.